guys, wait, I'm recording, right? Okay, good, I'm recording. But I'm playing Roblox at the moment, and I'm playing a game called the Blacksmith, right? And the opening of the game was me waking up, rolling out of bed, and then I fell off my bed, and I noticed my teddy bear was not there. Big man got my teddy bear on his shoulder, and I saw a note on my desk saying, if you ever want to see your bear again, give me one bazookaite sword or something. Okay, let's see. This is your current order. I need a shipment though. Like, I need some iron and stuff. Do I have to go mine my own materials? I guess I do. I'm going to the forest. Ah. Oh, I gotta go back. Village. There we go. Oh. I'm so good at singing. Why don't people like come through here? Why do they have to go all the way around there? Seems kind of unnecessary. Press F to pay. Respect. Yeah, it's a bazookaite. Bazookaite. Or if I did, what if I just made it like something stronger than that? Right? Talk to the shopkeeper to buy bazookaite or mine it in the deep mines. Get enough materials to craft the sword of bazookia. That's it for the tutorial. Have fun. Okay, I need a pickaxe. Oh, I am super dumb. 1 and 2. Okay, axe, pickaxe. Looks like a place that's unnecessary for me to go to. I need to go there eventually, but I'm gonna come with the sword. So, because if he does not have the sword, I'll just like armor up or something. I don't know. If this takes a while, I'll do like a part 2 or something. Okay, let's see. Can I mine this? No. Okay, I should be able to mine this stuff over here. I think that green stuff over here is gold. Wait a minute, if I go on. Hey, look, I got something. Okay, well, apparently they come in straight up ingot form immediately. Yeah, I think this is the enchantite stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just mine a bunch of stuff. I will link the game in the description of the video if you want to play this. Okay, bro. Is this bazookaite? Bazook? A bazook? Bazook? More bazook? Bazook, please? Bazook. What's this? This looks... Oh wait, is this iron? Bro, let me mine it. I can't get a good angle on this. Whatever. Ah, here we go. This should be the perfect angle. Yeah, let's see. I'm fairly sure this is gonna be iron. Okay, yeah, I knew it. Well, how's everybody doing? Hopefully good. My day's going good. What the? What? I blinked and it turned to iron. But I need more bazookite. Oh. I thought there was like something big and glowing up here, but oh, there is. Need more gold to make sword. Y'all guys don't know this about me, but I really hope that I can like actually go in first person and have to basically hit it. What am I saying? Like when I'm blacksmithing, I hope it feels real, kinda. Cause I don't know, yeah, y'all guys don't know this about me, but I love blacksmithing. Like I love the concept of it with everything in my heart. And yeah. So I started playing the game and then I saw it looked kind of funny. So I decided to start recording so y'all could, see my experiences with it. I wish I could check, like, my resources. If it takes this little amount of time to do this, then I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, pick that up, and I'm going back. Let's see how fast can it keep up. 3, wait. 3, 2, 1. So it should end on axe. Okay, well, I cannot see it, but I need to go to the forest real quick to chop down some stuff. Oh, it did not keep up, actually. I now have a hybrid between an axe and a pickaxe. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Do I feel bad about what I have done? No. Should I have done it? No. Is anyone gonna care? No. Wait a minute, I just had the perfect idea for a good thumbnail. Come on. There we go. Okay, that should be a decent amount of wood. There's a river right there. Waterfall, river, double waterfall, huh? Wait a minute. Oh wait, is my pickaxe is just glitched, huh? Oh, there we go. I unglitched it. Yay. Finally. But I'm gonna glitch it again. Ooh, it happened for a second. Ah, I did it again. Sorry for such the long wait, sir, that stole my teddy bear. Yeah, you literally have a teddy bear on your shoulder. 1 wood, 2 gold. Oh, I should... Oh, wow, amazing. Truly, what a good blacksmithing experience. I'm still gonna play this for the plot. Okay, sword of bazookite, or of bazookia. So I need 4 of those, 1 of those, and 1 wood. Wait 1 second, let's see. Bazookite. Okay. Makes nothing. I don't know what you mean. Okay, need 4 of the... Ma'am, are you okay? Those are some very nice lips you have, young lady. There's currently a corpse on my porch. Never mind. Kind of rhymed. Corpse on my porch. Huh. Why is there so much death at my blacksmith shop? I need some more amethyst. My gosh, man. Why must there be so much death? Oh, dang it. Okay. Man, whoever was doing that had such skill. Okay, I forgot what the ore looked like for bazookite. I think bazookite is just rare. I need more amethyst though. And I need more wood. Mine. There's enchantite. There's more enchantite. I feel like it was just pink crystals. Okay, I'm just gonna mine everything and see how that works. I am trying to make the cavern reset. Because if it resets, chances are I get bazookite. Okay, I can't mine that one. I swear, bro, why can't I mine anything? Finally. Feels like I can mine it from here, you know? I think my arm has a tad bit more flexibility than that. There we go, finally. Okay, I just need to find a part that I can stand on and it will hit. No, I cannot. 'Tis impossible. Okay. This one should be possible. Yeah, easy money. And any day now. Once again, easy money. Mine. That's mine. Swear, bro. Give me some bazookite. I want some bazookite. Come on. What if I'm just saying like a really hateful slur right now? Just bazook. Bazookite. Finally, bro. Okay, that looks very pink instead of purple. So I think this would be bazooka. The question is it? And if you go into the wall, I am going to be extremely mad. Nope, amethyst. What doesn't... Okay, that has to be bazooka. There's literally no denying. This is bazooka. Look, purple, pink. This is bazooka, and I know it for a fact. What the actual freak? Okay, this is bazooka. This is bazooka for sure. I swear. What the actual freak, brother? Is there bazooka up here? No. Is it down here? Let's see. Is this bazooka? No. Is this bazooka? Why do I need coins? Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, I want to go see this guy's lair or whatever. I want to see what it looks like. It'd be funny if it just... It'd be fun if... I am having a stroke. It would be funny if... When I got there, it was just a floating house. Nope. Okay. There we go. Forest. Oh yeah, guys. Sorry that I got scared inside the Subnautica Below Zero one, the latest one. It's just kind of a scary game. You would know that if you played it. I wouldn't say it's scary that much. It's just that it's hard to advance when you have a fear of the ocean. That's the thing. Which is why next video I'm gonna go into normal Subnautica, and you'll see what I'm gonna do. Trust me. Will I be putting myself through pain? Yes. Am I still going to do it so I can post better videos on Subnautica Below Zero? Yes. Okay. Go back over here. Wait, can I jump over? Yeah. Village. Okay, let's see. I wish I could like see my inventory before. Why every time I go to my place, I just see corpses on my porch? Is that what people do right as soon as they get their sword? Is that truly what people want? Wait a minute, what? Oh, if I press E, I can see my inventory. Okay. I really love how they just stretched it out to make it fit better. Okay. Next, please. Next, please. Come on. Get over here. Get over here. Come on. Do I have to leave and then go back? Oh my gosh. Finally. Wait a minute. That's somebody from my friends list. Wait a minute. I know who that is. I know who. Hey, it's you. Ah. Da. 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 I think they just put people from your friends list. An enchantite blade. See, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I can't make it unless if it's up there. Well, at least it didn't kill my friend. back, go over here. I said, go back, go over here. Who's the next person? Oh God. Oh no. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Just get off my lawn. I don't want the police to come back. Okay, let's see. 4 bazookaite. 1 bazookaite. Okay, that person, I feel almost definitely is on my friends list. Okay, I gotta go check out the teleporter real quick. Let's see. Deep caves, 4 shallow caves. Okay, never mind. I thought there would be like a shop. Sort of. Why? Why? Stop killing people. Why must there be so much death? Why? Why? They're on my friend. Oh yeah, look, they are on my friends list. Okay. What do you need? A golden sword. I guess he bled out. I probably shouldn't say that. Which friend is up next? It's you again? You again? You want another one? Didn't I literally just serve you? Didn't I literally just give you a sword? I better come out there and whack you over the head with this. Whack, whack, whack. Hey, I know that guy. I know that one. Sure, mad. I don't have any gold. Bro, why do you want a gold sword? Gosh, bro. Well, for 1, I'm getting kind of bored of this game. For 2, I feel like this has gone on for too long. If it haven't, then I don't know. Sorry, I'm still gonna post this video. I'll make a part 2 of this. I think it'll save my progress. If it doesn't, I will not, and I might take this video down. But with that said, I will see you guys next time, and goodbye.